Hey, Jay Smith back again. I've had some questions from some folks, some comments on how I've made my mats. I think some of you have commented on my OptiShot video, and I wanted to just give you a little bit more clarification, kind of get down here a little bit more in detail. What I started with was panel board. I think they call this Luan board. It's it's not a particle board, it's actual wood. These are 4x8 that I've laid out side to side here, so the 8-foot side going this way, obviously. So you start with the Luan board, then you buy this 1-inch thick, this is foam, it's exterior insulation, this is actually the Lowe's brand, and then you put another piece of Luan board on top of that. You glue these two together and let that sit, and that will give you one nice thick 4x8 sheet. Now you can see that I've obviously got more than one. So what I've done is I've put these together in a 4x8 sheet, 4x8 sheet, and a 4x8 sheet. Then I've taken and gone underneath and put 3/4 inch plywood. And I ran it the opposite direction, obviously, so I could tie these sheets together and make one big giant mat, as you can see here. Once you have that done, you'll have this big structure, this 12x8 mat. Then what you want to do is on top, you want to get some of these foam puzzle pieces. And I can't really give you a shot of the puzzle piece itself, but it's this, you can buy these at Lowe's. They're the things that you see in like daycare, or people put them in their, in their floor. They fit together. I don't know the actual dimensions of them. I think they're maybe 36 by 36, but you put those on top, and that's what gives you the padding. Glue those down. Then obviously you can take and get whatever turf you want and put on top. I went away from AstroTurf. I had started with the AstroTurf like you would, put on your porch or something like that. Excuse me, and ended up going to this carpet that I found at Lowe's. I found that it has withstood much better than the AstroTurf does, and it doesn't come up and make the black nasty stuff all over the place like that. Once you're done with that, then what you want to do is figure out what type of insert you want. Like I said, I've been buying these on eBay, and if someone hit me up on these, if you're more specific on these, I can give you the actual manufacturer of these, but then they're the same thickness as the puzzle. So you can just cut out into the puzzle piece and then insert these in right on top. And as I mentioned in the other video, I do keep 2 of these just because we play a lot. I have a league, and you can see this one here started getting kind of screwed up a little bit. Once it does start coming up, you can just flip this entire mat all the way around and basically start all over. And I move my SkyTrack, I move the dot around, so we keep the play, keep the wear on these, at a minimum at best. But I hope this helps you guys out a little bit more. Feel free to like, comment, anything else you have questions on. But basically it's panel board, foam, panel board. Stick that all together, tie it together underneath. I have screwed in from the top to come into the plywood, then the foam puzzle pieces, then your mat on top, and hopefully this helps you guys out. We're actually watching the Pro-Am right now at Pebble Beach, playing a little Pebble Beach. I'm not playing very well, I'm +7, my son's beating me. So anyway, hope this helps you out, guys, thanks.